Hey guys, we're going to be doing a different type of video today. I am a concealed carry person. I do carry. Although when I do drive in my truck, this kind of gets blocked up by the seatbelt, so it's not the greatest advantage to have. So for self-protection when you're in your vehicle. So I ordered what is it's a magnetic gun mount for your vehicle. It's got a rubberized material right there, as you can see, so it doesn't scratch your gun, and it's got a little adhesive tape on the back and then 2 screw mounts. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my truck, kind of next to my leg. Some people will put it in between, like under your steering wheel, under your dash, and have the gun kind of hanging like that. Me being a bigger guy, I'm gonna bang around and probably knock my gun off. So we're gonna figure out how we can mount this. I kind of want to do it to the side of my leg, kind of right next to where the center console is, going down my leg. So let's go check it out, see how we can fit this in there. So what I'm thinking of is I kind of want it right there, so I can grab it and it's out of my way on my legs. Like I was saying earlier, people put them here, people put them down here, some people put them under the seat, but I want mine right here. The gun is unloaded, by the way, just so you guys know. But yeah, I'm thinking like right there, because I do have this document holder right here, and that will give me a free space to be able to grab the handle of the gun without any obstruction in case of emergency. So like I said, you can see here, pretty solid, you know. This is the Smith & Wesson MP Shield 9mm, so it's not the biggest of guns. So I don't know strength wise how heavy your guns are going to be, but this is rated to hold 30 pounds, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be able to do what you need to do. So I'm thinking right there, guys. So we'll go ahead and put the adhesive mark on there. We'll pull the tape off, mark it, we'll drill the holes and put the screws in. Okay, we're going to pull the adhesive backing off of this, the little tape, and we're just going to place her right there. So mark my first hole. There. Second hole there. Okay, so clean that up a bit. Bingo. Okay. Line this guy back up. That magnet wants to pull that screw, just so you know, so be wary when you're trying to put this in. And then, sorry I'm getting in your camera angle there, guys, but I gotta get in there. Okay, one screw in. There we go. So it's all secured. Pop my gun right there. See? Pretty good. Well, as you can see, guys, I can even bang into it. I'm hitting it with my knee if I need, my leg if I need to. The gun is staying still. See if I can slide out for you. But here's my intention was to be able to do this, so I can pop it off. Comes up easy. Rubberized, like I said, cover on it so it doesn't scratch your gun, and I can still easily grab my gun if needed. But easy peasy, able to secure my gun while I'm driving and have it accessible as well. So, but I am a concealed carry. You can't do this unless you are a concealed carry, because this is this will be loaded and ready to go. So, but always accessible. Pretty simple. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Just kind of a little simple addition to the truck. Nice little gadget. The thing's about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down below for the exact one. There's a lot of similar ones out there. I like this one because of the rubberized topper on it to keep it from scratching my firearm, and the weight on it was 30 pounds of a holding ability, so more than enough for what I need. Like I said, what gun you have, I can't attest to it, but this is going to hold the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm easily, and I'm going to be able to hit some bumps and it's not going to come off, so that's really good. It did come with 2 for the price of 15, so it came with 2 of them. The second one I'm going to show you in a different video what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to mount it on my bed rail, so that way I can put it so it's not sitting on my nightstand somewhere where I can reach down, grab it and go. But yeah, so pretty simple. I like it. It's gonna work perfect for what I need it for. So appreciate y'all stopping by. I hope to see you guys again soon.